Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to outline your text messages in Clip Studio Paint. Let's begin. So let's open up a brand new page, and then what I'm going to have to do on the new page opened, I'm going to put some coloring in the page. So I'm just going to pick on the auto select tool, and then I'm going to apply a dark gray. Now this is just to enable, like my viewers, see what I'm doing. So with that done, I've now colored the layer. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to put in a text message. So I'm gonna go to the left hand side of the toolbar and select text. So I'm gonna select which font I'm gonna use. I'm gonna select this one right here, and then I'm gonna write out something. But before then, I'm gonna increase the size. I've increased the size to 20, and I'm just gonna put out a word. All right, so I am gonna scale it so my audience can have a better viewing of what I'm gonna do. So that's Triumph. Let's expand it a bit more. And what I'm gonna do is to change the color to white. Now, I've put in my text message, so what I'm gonna do right now is just to put in outlines. So to do that, simply move on to the right hand side of your toolbar, scroll up where it says Layer Property right here, and then simply select Border Effect. With that border effect selected, it did increase, like the size of the text. However, no borderline. Borderline is there. However, to differentiate that, what we have to do is to go to the right hand side of the toolbar under Layer Property, Edge Color. Now we're gonna pick on a color. So let's take some like deep red. Press OK. Now we have now created an outline. Now if we want to increase the size of the outline, simply move on to the right hand side of the toolbar where it says thickness of edges, and then we can just kind of like increase, and we can also decrease right here. We can also change, like the outline into any color of our choice. So say for example, I want to select blue, click OK. So the outline has automatically changed to blue. But you know what? I'm going to stick to the red color, okay? Because it makes it stand out a bit more. Click OK. So yeah, there you have it. Now, one more thing is this, right? This can be created in either the raster or vector layer, all right? Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more tips and tricks in Clip Studio Paint, okay? Take care.